Presenting the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4 5G. It comes in color options of Phantom Black, Beige, and Grey Green. The phone has display of 7.6-inch and 6.2-inch. The phone also has main screen, more screen and display camera. No black dot, cover screen and breathtaking Infinity Flex display. It is powered by our toughest Samsung Galaxy. It also features fast charging support, dual SIM and wireless charging. Built-in GPS and water resistant. The delivery box contains USB cable. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.